Everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to talk next PYQ of group theory, which is asked in GATE 2023. So our question is, let sigma belongs to S8 where S8 is the permutation group on 8 symbol. Suppose sigma is the product of sigma 1 and sigma 2 where sigma 1 is a 4 cycle and sigma 2 is a 3 cycle in S8. If sigma 1 and sigma 2 are disjoint cycles, then the number of elements in S8 which are conjugate to sigma s. So here sigma is equals to sigma 1 into sigma 2. That is sigma is equals to ABC and DEF type. That is sigma 1 is of 4 cycle and sigma 2 is of 3 cycle. So this is 3 cycle and this is of 4 cycle. That is 3 plus 4 plus 1 type group. So we know to find the conjugate of sigma, there is a formula, that is order of class of sigma is equals to order of G upon order of normalizer of sigma. So order of class equation of sigma in S8 is what? Sigma is of what? 12 order type. So 8 factorial upon 3 into 4 into 1 type, and order of group is also 8 factorial upon order of normalizer of sigma. So order of normalizer of sigma is the only the conjugate of sigma. So order of normalizer of sigma is equals to 12. Cross multiply this cut and this is equals to 12. So in S8, if sigma 1 and sigma 2 are the disjoint cycles of 4 and 3 order, and then sigma is their product, that is ABC and DEF type, that is 3 cycle and 4 cycle. So sigma is of order 12. So for conjugate of sigma, we use this formula, and by this we find that conjugate to sigma's number of elements are 12. So our option C is correct. So this is the solution of this question. If you like this video, you can press like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.